How do I make money on Temu? So the very first thing you want to do is to head over to your application Temu and make sure you are logged into your account. It will land you on your home page. Tap on You at the bottom. Over here, scroll down and tap on Earn Credits and Free Gifts. And after that, tap on Redeem Cash. In Temu, you can get unlimited cash just by spinning the wheel. To spin the wheel, you need some coins which you can get by referring your friends. You can simply click on Refer Friends. And then you will be redirected to this tab. From here, you can simply copy the code and share a referral code with your friends. And when they accept your invitation and join the Temu, you will earn coins that can be redeemed for cash. You can also copy the link and share it on your social media. If you have a large number of followers, it's a bonus for you. You can simply refer it to your friends or followers by putting the code on your story. And when they accept the invitation, you will receive more coins and you'll be able to spin the wheel. So that's all for today, and this was a tutorial video on how to make money on Temu. I really hope this video is gonna be helpful for you. Thank you for staying with us till the end.